What if I told you, you can start a farm with low capital, small space, and still make consistent profit? Most people ignore this animal, but it multiplies fast, survives tough conditions, and sells easily. In this video, you'll learn how to start goat farming as a beginner, how it makes money, and what most people get wrong. Goats are one of the most profitable livestock for beginners, and here's why. Watch till the end, because one mistake can wipe out your profit. Goats are one of the most profitable livestock for beginners, and here's why. They reproduce fast, often twice a year. One goat can give birth to twins or even triplets. They survive in harsh conditions. They eat almost anything: grasses, leaves, farm waste. Goat meat is in high demand, especially during festive seasons. People prefer it because it's lean, healthy, and widely accepted. This means low feeding cost, fast growth, and rapid expansion. Goat milk is highly nutritious and can be sold fresh or processed into cheese, yogurt, skincare products. Instead of selling for meat, you can sell young goats to other farmers at a higher price. This is where smart farmers make serious money. Even goat waste makes money. Manure for crops, skin and hair. For specialized markets, here's the truth most people won't tell you. Goat farming is not instant money, but it's predictable income. Let's break it down. Manure can bring small income quickly. Real profit starts between 6 to 12 months. Breeding increases your herd, and your income grows faster over time. The longer you stay, the more profitable it becomes. This is where many beginners fail. Poor hygiene, right pointing arrow disease. No vaccination, right pointing arrow losses. Dirty water, right pointing arrow weak animals. Goats are strong, but bad management will destroy your farm. Start small, don't rush. Even 5 to 10 goats is enough to begin. Learn the system, then scale. A small, well-managed herd is more profitable than a large, poorly managed one. Goat farming is not just a side hustle. It's a long-term business. If you stay consistent, manage well, and think like a business owner, your small herd today can become your financial freedom tomorrow. Subscribe for practical farming strategies that actually work.